Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change call vibration pattern in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to this settings. Go to settings in your phone. Then go to sounds and vibration, and here select call vibration, and you can change call vibration pattern for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Okay, there are a lot of back pattern is available. You can choose from the available options. Okay, I click on tap, and this is call vibration pattern for SIM 1. Okay, if call is received, you will experience this vibration. Okay, for setting up a SIM 2, click on SIM 2 here and change call vibration pattern to any one here. Okay, I click on repeat. Okay, so it is set and I go back. So in this way you can easily change call vibration pattern in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.